In today's video, I'm going to show you Snaptroid honest review. Does Snaptroid VIP really works in 2025? Snaptroid claims to let users see private Snapchat data, things like My Eyes Only, vaults, stories from private accounts, best friend lists, etc., simply by entering a username. These are extremely big claims, especially since Snapchat uses end-to-end encryption and has strict controls over user privacy. Multiple analysts and security review sites emphasize that these claims are implausible. Many people who try Snaptroid go through human verification steps. These typically include doing surveys, downloading dodgy apps, or completing other tasks, and after all that, they never actually get what they were promised. It seems designed to generate ad revenue or gather personal information rather than deliver any real Snapchat data. In terms of trust indicators, sites like Scam Advisor here give Snaptroid VIP a mixed but mostly negative review. While some aspects are neutral, for instance, it has a valid SSL certificate and the domain was registered in advance, many red flags come up. Hidden WHOIS info, so you can't verify who owns it. Poor divided by trust scores from security services, and lots of complaints about safety or failed promised features. Gridinsoft flagged it as a suspicious website with a low trust score, tilde 34 over 100 in their assessment. Reddit threads here reinforce skepticism. Multiple users say it never works as promised. Some report potential security concerns, and many warn others that it appears to be a waste of time. So, legit or scam? Snaptroid appears to be a scam or at least a phishing divided by data harvesting scheme. It does not seem reliable or safe. There's no credible evidence that it can access Snapchat private content. To sum it up, Snaptroid VIP does not appear to deliver on its promises. The claims are almost certainly false, and the risks are real. Potential malware, losing personal data, falling into subscription, verification traps, or even getting your Snapchat account in trouble for violating terms of service. If I were you, I'd avoid using it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.